For my next video, I want to do one on how to scan documents in Google, Google Drive to be specific. It's something that just came out and it's actually very powerful. I'm using a little preface. I'm using the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This phone has some very powerful scanning document features with it, but I hate to say it, it's nothing compared to the Google Drive feature they've just introduced, which is free. So let's go ahead and get right into it, as I like to say. So let's go to Google Drive, and we're going to go to the plus, and you want to go to scan. Okay, now with that said, I have two idiot documents here that doesn't mean anything really, and we want to delete that because I don't want to do that fast. It actually searches for the document, so I have to move this across the way here and get. Okay, sorry about that. Somehow I disconnected, which happens a lot with me for some reason. So anyway, Google Drive, and this is our scanning. So go into Google Drive, and right now I'm into it. I just scanned two documents, so we can see document 1, document 2. So this is auto. If you have that button on, it's automatically going to look for text. So there's no pushing of any buttons. So what makes this so powerful is its automated feature. You can lay a book down, lay a presentation down, lay whatever down, and it's going to keep scanning and taking those pictures until you stop it. You don't have to push any buttons, you don't have to do anything. So again, for example, here we have two pieces of paper. See there, it's trying to snag 1 and 2. Okay, now I can take the picture myself, but let's turn on the searching for documents. So I'm going to go up, and bang, I just took the picture, actually just added it to it. So these two, this one should be deleted and this one should be deleted. Okay, so now that was the two from the previous scan. So now we have two documents that I scanned with one picture. I didn't push anything. It did it all on its own. So it's a very powerful feature. The AI in this is really great too. So for example, the enhancement. So there's unenhanced, a regular, even better than a normal actual picture, but then you turn the enhancement on and you're black and white. It's really crispy. Filters, all the different kind of filters if you want. Crop, rotate, so we can crop, rotate, do whatever you want. Automatic, no crop, rotate, so you can even automatically crop your pictures. So we're going to discard that again. Clean, not really sure 100% what this is. I know this is your brush size, so we'll do a small brush size, and we're going to clean this right here. And I don't know if that makes any difference or not, but it's supposed to be a cleaning function. Not that I can really see any differences here, but it's supposed to clean. But anyway, this is the neat thing about it, is this automatically scanning. And if I had 5 documents sitting here, I would be able to scan all of them, and it would sort them in the bottom left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or however many you have. So it's a very powerful feature for scanning. Like I said, the Samsung S26 Ultra is a very powerful scanning features embedded in it. This one beats it, I believe, simply because it's built into Google Drive, which it's automatically saving stuff. It's going to make your workflow great, paper-free. If you have an office, run stuff with a lot of paperwork, like I do. I have a lot of paperwork. This turns a paper-ridden office into a paper-free office just by simply clicking, and then I go next, and then I save it, format, PDF, JPEG, where I want, how I want it, file name them, and hit save. So it's a very, very powerful, and it's not really even an app per se because it's part of the Google Drive. So pretty neat. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.